Hello Jaipur Trailblazers. So now that you know that we have a new Salesforce marketing user group in Jaipur, I want to ask Anil why amongst all these Salesforce user groups he chose to lead a Salesforce user marketing cloud group.
Well, the answer is pretty simple. I think in the last 6 to 9 months, this pandemic has made us realize that digital transformation and digital skill sets are no longer optional. They are a mandate. And having 3 technology groups already existed in the Salesforce ecosystem, this group will add that flavor of digital transformation and digital skill sets to the Jaipur Trailblazer community. And Salesforce announcing their Digital 360 solution offering is where this group will perfectly fill the gap between the community as well as where the industry is heading. That's why I would say I chose Marketing Cloud Group. Well, now that you know why I am starting this group, as a fellow community trailblazer, you have been around in the community for quite some time now and you have been part of a lot of community events. Help me understand what will be your expectation from this community group going into this year?
Great question, Anil. So my expectation of this community group, or not only of technical community groups, my expectation of local community groups or events is always to give everybody a platform to gather knowledge and apply that knowledge and skill set in various parts of the system. One thing I see missing around those community groups, not only technical ones, is that there is no constant engagement with people who are part of that group. Okay. So how do you think you're gonna, or how we can change that? What are your thoughts around that?
I think the only way to change the way of how community groups operate is work on the ground levels. And the ground level, I always refer to the students in the higher education side, as well as students who are pursuing their engineering and other related degrees. So go talk to them, spread the awareness, help them understand where they can learn these new skill sets, which can not only help with their career but also help the businesses that they aspire to, and give them a platform where they can share this learning with others. I am a firm believer that anyone who knows how to operate a computer today can practically find everything on the web. So repeating that information in community group may not yield us better results, rather than we reaching out to the ground level and then sharing our experience and knowledge can impact a lot more lives. So I would say that is something will be at the core of how we would like to build this community in this year.
Thank you, Anil, for your thoughts. I think this is interesting.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.